Today I'll be making a cozy and beautiful bed using neutral floral bedding that I purchased from Ikea. Right now the bed is stripped down, it's bare bones. Um, right now it's just the mattress and the box spring. Below on the box spring, all I have is, well, the box spring, just to note, it's a double size box spring, even though the bed is a queen size bed. All I have on the box spring right now is a queen size fitted sheet that I got from the Mainstays brand at Walmart. That's it. Don't come for me. Yes, it's a double box spring on a queen size bed. On the queen size mattress, on this thick mattress, I have a what do you call it? A mattress protector. So this mattress protector I got from Wayfair. It's a fully zippered, fully encapsulated, or fully enclosed mattress protector, and I got it from this hospitality brand, again from Wayfair. The bed itself I got from Wayfair as well. It's a queen size bed I purchased 3 years ago from Wayfair, but the mattress and the box spring are old. They're like at least a decade old, more than a decade old. So right now all I'm gonna do is put the fitted sheet on top. So here's the fitted sheet. The fitted sheet is also in a queen size, and I got it from Ikea. It's in the brand, I cannot pronounce it. It's Devala? Yeah, so can't pronounce it. You know how Ikea brands are, but this is the fitted sheet in a queen size that I got from Ikea. So I'm just gonna spread it out evenly. Oh yeah, and it's since from Ikea, it's not the highest thread count. It's only 150 thread count, but once it feels a little rough when it comes out of the package, but once you wash it, it gets really soft. I actually enjoy sleeping on it. So let me just spread this out evenly to show you how it fits the mattress. So there you go. There is the fitted sheet, the queen fitted sheet on the queen size mattress. It's a thick mattress. Typically I go for, like, what do you call it, deep pockets. It didn't specify that it's deep pockets, but it fits. On top I added this coverlet that I got from, what do I get from? Oh, from Walmart. So the coverlet is in a queen size. I wanted a king size. I wanted it to be a little bit larger so it would tuck in nicely. But yeah, I got the queen size because it was sold out, and I did the hospital. I attempted to do like the hospital tucked or the hospital or military fold. Didn't do the greatest job, but it's all tucked in, so it's good to go. The next step, I'm going to add the duvet cover. So the duvet cover, which again, it's a neutral floral bedding. Oh, I'm just showing you different angles. So yeah, so the neutral floral bedding, again, I got from Ikea. It's in the brand, I'm going to show you, I'm going to pull the tag and show you what it is right now. But the duvet cover I got in a king size because I've tried queen size duvets before and I don't like how they hang, so I rather do an oversized effect. And so it's, yeah, so the brand again is Trinstar, if I didn't mention that, and it's in a king size. So just to note, it's a queen size bed, but I'm using a king size duvet cover. Trust me, it lays nicely, it hangs over the bed much better than getting the appropriate queen size. Go larger. If you have a queen size bed, get a king size duvet or a king size coverlet because it will cover the sides nicely. It's not fully spread out right now, so you can't see that, but I'm telling you, go up a size when you're going for the duvet cover. So I'm gonna add obviously a duvet insert, because if you just add the duvet cover alone, it's just gonna look like a sheet because it's thin, right? So you have to add a duvet insert to fluff it up a bit. I'm going to, well, my goal was to attempt to put 2 duvets. I actually have one that I have existing, I've already purchased and used, but I purchased an additional one that it's the same brand, everything's the same, from Ikea, but I decided against it. I'll tell you why later. So this duvet insert is the Smaspore Smasporre. I don't know if you could see it, it's a little blurry. And it's a king size duvet insert. So again, king size duvet cover, king size duvet insert. So right now I just have one inside. As you can see, just the one duvet, it looks pretty flat, right? So my goal was to put this, you see this packaging? I have a second duvet that I was gonna put in to make it fluffier, because they say to add 2 duvets to give that fluffy effect, like when you go to a department store and it looks really thick. But because this duvet in particular comes with little snaps at the bottom, I thought that having 2 duvets inside would make it too thick and that the snaps would pull apart and they wouldn't stay together. I have other duvets that have zipper enclosures, or so a zipper at the bottom. So maybe in the future I'll do that, but for now I just decided to go with the 1 duvet because I think the 2 duvet wouldn't fit in the duvet, in this duvet cover. For the pillows, I have 4 pillows. So I have 2 sets of 2. I have two sets of king pillows, one in this Calvin Klein brand and one in the Serta Posturepedic, I believe it's called, brand. I'm gonna put both of them on the bed to see what it looks like. So I'm gonna show you right now. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I was showing the bag earlier. The pillows are from HomeSense, which is a sister company to Home Goods in the US, but in Canada we have HomeSense and Marshalls and Winners. So those are the sister companies we have in Canada, the Canadian version of Home Goods. I like to get my pillows from HomeSense because they're relatively cheap. Like each 2-pack is like $34. Sometimes you can get them for $29.99 for 2 in a pack. So that's pretty good. So again, just giving you a close-up. This is what the Calvin Klein one looks like. Looks very nice and very plush. So here they are stacked on each other. So far I'm not really, this is my first time trying this stacked effect. I'm not really loving how it's looking at the moment, but I'm gonna see once I put I'm gonna put 3 pillows in front, 3 Your Shams in front to see how that looks. But right now as it is, I'm not in love with this look. But it's an option. If you like it, go for it. But for me, I'm not sure this is the look that I'm going for this particular video. So I'm gonna get the Your Shams. So here they are. These are 26 by 26 Your Shams, or 26 by 26 cushion covers that I purchased from Amazon. Right now I have 3 laid out on the bed. I purchased 2 2-packs, so they come in a pack of 2. So I had to purchase 2 2-packs, which is 4, but only 3 can fit on the bed. You cannot fit all 4 on a queen size bed. It's not gonna work. So they say to overstuff your pillows. So if I have a 26 by 26 cover, a cushion cover, I should use a 28 by 28 pillow or cushion insert. However, I couldn't find that, so I went with something different. But I wanted to show you what happens if you do a 26 by 26 in a 26 by 26 cushion insert in a 26 by 26 cushion. It's not gonna look the greatest. It's gonna look a little bit floppy. It's not gonna stand up and look firm and plush. I'm gonna show you the difference in having a oversized pillow in a smaller cushion cover as opposed to having the exact size. So this is something, this brand I got from Ikea years ago. They've discontinued it. They no longer sell it, which kind of sucks because Ikea sold the cheapest. Like that was like $15 for that particular one. So here from the Canadian Down and Feather company, I got the cushion inserts that I'm going to use. I purchased them off an online vendor called The Shopping Channel, which in the States would be called QVC. So the camera's not doing it justice. These cushion inserts are huge, okay? They're 30 by 30. Like I said, I wanted to get by 28 by 28, but I could not find it anywhere online. At least not the not the feather inserts, only the synthetic material inside. But for the feather, I can only get 30 by 30. So it's going to be a tight squeeze, but I'm going to make it work. You just have to be really gentle so you don't rip the zipper on your Shams. So I'm going to squeeze these in and show you what they look like. Just give me a moment. Oh, and by the way, these were not cheap. These were $42 each. Again, I purchased 3 and I had to pay $35 for shipping, plus I had to pay taxes. So on the right side, you'll see the 30 by 30 insert in the 26 by 26 Sham cushion cover. And on the left hand side, you will see the 26 by 26 Ikea insert that I have in the 26 by 26 cushion cover. So you see the difference. Look at it. Look how floppy that is. Like, come on. If I had like a smaller cushion cover, it would fit perfectly. You should always, so if I had like a 24 by 24 cushion cover and I put that 26 by 26 cushion, it would be fine. But right, like, look at it. It's oh my gosh, it's so sad looking. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a visual of what it looked like. I'm gonna take that out and fill up all of the 3 cushion covers with the 30 by 30 cushion insert. So here, as you can see, this is what it's looking like. It's not really looking how I want it to look. Something seems off about this. Yeah, so I played around with it, and as you can see, this is what the finished product looks like. I played around with it. I changed it around. I took away 2 of the king size pillows and I only left 2. Right, I put them in the front instead of stacking them up on the back. Then I have the 3 Shams in the back, and I have this decorative pillow right here that I also got from HomeSense for $29.99. Very boho feeling. I love it. It's beautiful. So I'm just giving you a close-up of what it looks like. With my headboard, it's looking beautiful. I love it. Look at this. Just neutral and just girly and just so pretty. Look at this. Oh, and I also added a throw on the end. This throw I also had pre-existing. I had it for maybe a year now. I also got that from HomeSense for $29.99. So look at it. I'm just showing you from different angles. This is what the finished product looks like. So tell me what you think in the comments. Comment, subscribe, and